guys, I give you a special welcome back to my channel. My name is Georgette Moses, EM for short. Guys, in today's recipe we are going to prepare marble red velvet cake. Christmas is coming, so you wouldn't know, maybe this recipe will help you to add it to your Christmas menu. That's why I'm doing it this time, for you to have the idea what cake you should prepare for your family this Christmas. So let's roll it. I have my butter here. The butter, I'm going to put all the measurements in my description section, guys, because sometimes when you keep on mentioning them, it wastes time as well. So I'm using a soft butter. We will start beating our butter and sugar, guys. So let me add my sugar as well.
Let's go. Yummy food. Nice makeups.
At this point, I'm going to add my vanilla extract. I need only one.
Irama's channel. Subscribe. Let's go.
Rich, now I'm going to get my eggs ready, then I'll be adding it to my
subscribe and click on the notification bell.
It's always advisable to do it this way, so in case one of the eggs is spoiled, you can just take that one aside. So that's why I prefer to do it this way.
Irama's channel. Good food, healthy living, lifestyle, workout. Irama Garden. Irama's channel.
At this point, I am going to divide my cake mixture into 3. Then we will mix it with our color and cocoa. So I'll use one for cocoa and I'll use one for the
lifestyle,
the velvet color.
Irama's channel.
Guys, so I'm going to mix the velvet color first. I will be needing 2 tablespoons of cocoa.
Yummy, yummy. Subscribe and click on the notification bell. Let's go. Coco's music. Let's go.
I'll be adding my red color.
Kitchen. Irama Moses. Let's go. Kitchen. Coco's music. Let's go. Have you heard? Have you tasted Irama's food? Oh.
So guys, I will set this one aside and we will mix our cocoa. The cocoa flavor.
It's tasty. Sweet aroma. EM for short.
I'm done mixing all my flavors. I have my velvet color here. I have the vanilla and I have my cocoa. So for you to get your nice marble cake, just this place is very important, so you need to watch this place carefully. Guys, for you to get your nice marble cake, that's what I want to show you guys. So you first of all, you place little of the velvet mixture.
Simple remedy, good taste, palatable, sweet.
Then you place some of the chocolate one on top like this.
What a stew, what a soup.
I hope you guys can see what I'm doing. And our vanilla, sorry guys. Then you put a bit of vanilla on top. So I'm going to repeat the same process like this till all of it go inside the pan. Guys, look at that. So I'm not done yet. You can use your toothpick or anything that you can use to design this. You just do a circular motion like this. Oh my god. This cake is going to taste yummy, 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 yummy. Guys, look at that. Ah, so beautiful, isn't it? So let's insert our cake in the oven. I've already preheated my oven, so we will insert our cake in the oven now.
Have you tasted a Rami's food? Let's go.
Let's check our cake. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Look at that.
Sweet aroma. So tasty.
Our cake is ready. If you insert your temperature probe and you find out that there's still cake mixture on the probe, it means the cake is not ready. But you can see when I insert it, it shows nothing, so it means our cake is ready. Ah, look how this cake is looking yummy-licious. Yummy, 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 yummy. Look at this. Oh, our velvet marble cake. Oh dear. Guys, finally our cake is ready. Our marble red velvet cake is ready, and let me open it for you guys to see what we have inside here. Look at that. I've placed it in my cake stand nicely, guys. Imagine you are doing a birthday party or you have had your visitors. You can serve them like this. And look how marble our cake is looking. Look at that. Look at the inside. I love the way it is, guys. If you follow the steps that I showed you, how you place your cake mixture in the pan, you remember that place, you remember that bit. I hope you remember, guys. When you follow these steps, you will never go wrong. And this cake, trust me, it tastes so amazing. Isn't it so beautiful? Look at it. Oh gosh, I don't know how to describe this cake. It's only my kids who can give you a clue. It's only my kids who can describe how this cake tastes, guys. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I don't know what you are waiting for. Subscribe is free. Just click on the red button to be part of EM family, and we share nice recipes, guys. You will love it. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe now, because more recipes are coming. I love you, and I'll see you in my next video. God bless. So guys, this is how you can prepare your red marble velvet cake, or marble red velvet cake, whichever way you call it, guys. So this is the end of our baking for today. If you are new to this channel, I will ask you to subscribe and press the notification bell, so that anytime that I will upload a new video, you will be the first person to be noticed, guys. I love you guys. Subscribe.